Hello, welcome to another tutorial with Aaron. We're going to learn a worship song by Thompson, and it's Atmosphere Shift, and we are going to be playing it in the key of G sharp or A flat. Alright, so I'm going to play a framework of how the song is, and then we'll take it step by step. Okay, this is the intro. Okay, so let me show you the intro before we go in. So in a scale of this is a scale. This are chord 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. Okay, so we're doing in a chord of 5. This is our 5th chord. Then back to our chord 4. Okay, so it's like this. Chord 5. Then you do the same thing for chord 4. Then it starts on the 1. Okay, so basically that's the framework of the song. The intro is a 5 and then a 4. Okay, then it starts with there is only one God on a 1. This is how you play your chord 1. And then from chord 1 it moves to chord 6. You can still maintain the 1 over the 6. Okay. Then from there you move to a 5th chord. Okay. So you can play like this. Okay, with your thumb playing these two. Then from there you move to the 4. Okay. So there is only one God. The 5. This is your chord 4. Okay. Chord 6. Chord 5. Chord 4. Then our God is a champion. You play 1. Our God is champion. 6. Chord 5. Then you move to chord 2. Okay, chord 2. This is how you play a chord 2. Alright. Then you play like that. Our God. Where the our God is champion is, you play that progression. Where the punches are, I'm going to show you, is from 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so it's like the punches, just maintain your chord 2 like that. So let's start from the intro up to this point. Chord 5. Then where our God is a champion, they change only the last part. Our God, 6, 5. We're moving to 2. God again. Then you move to the 6. Then to 4. 1. 5, 6 to 4, then 1, 5, then 5. Okay, so the 6, you can shift this one here and play like this. Okay, so it's like 6, then the 4, this one will come. Okay, so when you play the 6 like this, when you're playing the 4, it's only the index finger that will move. So let's try it. 6, 4, then 1, 5, then 6, 5. Okay, so 6 again. This is the last part of the song where sing the spirit atmosphere change. Alright, so it's a 6. Then to the 4, 1, and then 5. Now there's a part where they play the 6, okay, then to 4, and then this one will move to 5. From 4, your left hand will move to 5, and then your right hand will move to the 1. Then before the right moves to 5, okay. So it's like this: 6, 4, then okay. So basically that's the whole song and then the progression. So the intro is a 5/4, and then the first verse is a 1/6, and then 5, and then 4. Then where he sings our God is 1 again, like the first verse, to the 6, 5, and then 3. Okay, and then they sing it like that for a particular point in time where they do the 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then after the 2, 3, 4, then they go to a 6. Okay, then to a 4, then to a 1, to a 5. Alright, so that is it for the song. Thank you for watching, and God bless you.